Hello everyone, my name is Simran, and the topic of my presentation is various types of tests used in the process of employee selection. Now let's have a look on the table of contents. The topics that I'll be dealing with are meaning of tests in the employee selection process. The second topic is purpose of tests, and finally we will be dealing with the various types of tests. Now, what is the meaning of test? A test is a systematic procedure for comparing the behavior of two or more persons. Moreover, it is a sample of an aspect of an individual's behavior, performance, or attitude. Now, what is the purpose of tests? The basic assumption underlying the use of tests in the personnel selection is that individuals are different in their job-related abilities and skills, and that these skills can be adequately and accurately measured. Test seeks to eliminate the possibility of prejudice on part of the interviewer or supervisor. The other major advantage is that the test may uncover qualifications and talents that would not be detected by the interviews or by listing the education or job experience. Now, types of tests. There are basically four types of tests. The first one is achievement and intelligence ability test. The second one is aptitude and potential ability test. The third is personality test. And the fourth one is interest test. Now, what is achievement and intelligence test? These are also called proficiency tests. These measure the skill or knowledge which is acquired as a result of a training program and on the job experience. These measure what the applicant can do. These are of two types. The first one is test for measuring job knowledge, and the second one is work sample test. The test for measuring job knowledge are primarily oral tests consisting of a series of questions which are believed to be satisfactorily answered only by those who know and thoroughly understand the trade or occupation. Work sample test is done by giving the candidate a piece of work to judge how efficiently he does it. Now, the second type of test is aptitude and potential ability tests. These tests measure the latent ability of a candidate to learn a new job or skill. Through these tests, you can detect peculiarity or defects in a person's sensory or intellectual capacity. These are of three types. First, mental test. Second, mechanical aptitude tests. And the third one is skill tests. Mental tests are mental tests measure the overall intellectual ability or the intelligent quotient of a person. Mechanical aptitude tests measure the capacity of a person to learn a particular type of mechanical work. Skill tests measure a person's ability to do a specific job. The third type of test is personality tests. These discover clues to an individual's value system, his emotional reactions, maturity, and his characteristic mood. The tests help in accessing a person's motivation, his ability to adjust himself to the stresses of everyday life, and his capacity of interpersonal relations and for projecting an impressive image of himself. These are again of three types. The first one is objective test, the second is projective test, and the third is situation test. Objective tests measure neurotic tendency, self-sufficiency, dominance, submission, and self-confidence. Projective tests. In these tests, a candidate is asked to project his own interpretation onto certain standard stimuli. Situation tests measure an applicant's reaction when he is placed in a particular situation, his ability to undergo stress, and his demonstration of ingenuity under pressure. The last one is interest tests. These tests are designed to discover a person's area of interest and to identify the kind of work that will satisfy him. The interest tests are used for vocational guidance and are assessed in the form of answers to a well-prepared questionnaire. Now, a question related to my topic is mental test measures. Option number one, the ability of a person to do a particular job. Second, the ability of a person to learn something new. Third, the intelligence quotient of a person. Fourth, all of these.
Option 3, IQ of a person.
Yes, right. Now the next question is, tests seek to eliminate the possibility of prejudice on part of the interviewer. True or false?
True.
Yeah, that's right. That's all from my part. Thank you.